Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Fresdesk ticketing for beginners. Fresdesk is a customer support software that allows businesses to improve their customer service. It is very affordable and also very easy to use. So to get started, the first thing you will need to do is go onto support.fresdesk.com. Once on this page, all you'll need to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Then from there, you're going to tap on ticketing. After tapping on ticketing, from there, you can log in using your email address and you can get started for completely free. If you're signed up, you're going to be redirected to this dashboard and I'm going to be showing you step by step what to do. So the first thing I want you to do is go over to the left hand menu option, and from the third icon from the top, which is this one which says tickets, from here you could tap on that. Then you'll see some tickets that you can view. For example, if you would like to assign a ticket to a particular team member, all you would have to do is tap on the box. Then after you have tapped on the box, you could tap on assign. Then after tapping on assign, from there you could choose the person that you would like to assign that particular ticket or customer complaint to. If you would like to view the customer complaint or the ticket, all you would have to do is tap on it. Once you have tapped on it, you can view it right here. You can see the resolution due date. You can also edit that if you would like to change the resolution due date. And if you would like to scroll down, you can also see the status right here. You can update the status if you want. For example, if you have assigned it to someone and they have already answered it, you can tap on resolved right here. After you have tapped on resolved, you could tap on update, as you can see right here. And by tapping on update right there, it will now show the ticket status as resolved. And to go back, now you'll have the fourth icon right here, and I want you to tap on contacts. After tapping on contacts right here, you'll be redirected to this dashboard, and from here you can add contacts or you can edit contacts. So you can see how the contacts look right here, a sample example of how your contacts will look. You can see right here. So you can see this is one of our contacts. Now to edit the contacts or to create a new contact, all you would have to do, once on contacts, you are going to go over to the top right hand corner, right where you see new. You are going to tap right there. Then from there, you'll tap on new contact. After tapping on new contact, you can upload the person's photo, add the person's name, and also their title. So you can add your team members right here, and you can also add their email address if you want, add their work phone number and everything, then tap on create right there to add a new contact. And also if you would like to add a new company, you can also do that by tapping on companies right here, and you'll be able to add a new company if you want, or you can edit the current company. And the fourth icon, or better yet the fifth icon right where you see solutions, you can tap on that, and from there you can see the general FAQ section. If you would like to add a new article, you could tap on that, or if you would like to manage it, you can also do that. And the top menu options right here, right where you see new, if you would like to create a new ticket, all you'd have to do is tap on new ticket right there, and you'll fill in the information right here if you would like to create a new ticket, or if a customer would like to create a new ticket, this is what they'll do. If you would like to create a ticket template, all you would have to do is go over to the left hand menu option, tap right where you see admin or the settings cog. After you have tapped on that, from here you are going to go across, and right where you see ticket fields, you could tap on that. After you have tapped on ticket fields, you can see how the typical ticket fields look right here. And if you would like to add something more, for example, let's say you would like to add a checkbox, you could tap on checkbox right there. After you have tapped on checkbox, you could fill in the information that you would like to ask. You can choose whether it is required when submitting the ticket or required when closing the ticket. You can choose either one, or you could choose both. And then from there you would label for agents, so you'll fill in the agents right there, or label for customers, then tap on save fields. But I don't want to save anything new. With that, all you'll need to do is tap right where you see the 6 dots. Then from there you'll be able to drag up the ticket field, as you can see right there. And if you would like to remove one of the ticket fields, all you would have to do is scroll down, and once it is not one of the default fields, for example this one, reference number, all you'll have to do is hover over it, then tap on the trash can, and from there you can choose to delete it permanently, or you can choose to archive it. Once you have archived it, it will now be removed. But if you want to remove one of the default one, unfortunately you cannot do that. Once you are finished organizing the ticket templates, all you will need to do now is go back to the main dashboard. Once on the main dashboard, you can go up to the top right where you see recommended features. You could tap on that. Then from there you can set up your business hours if you want. And again, you can add custom fields if you want also, just like what I was showing you to do on your ticket fields. And you can also set up automations if you want. And you can see all of the options. So let's say, for example, you'd like to set up your email notifications. All you would have to do is tap on email notifications, as you can see right here. After you have tapped on email notifications, you can see the option take me there. You are going to tap on that. Once you have tapped on that, from the right hand menu option, you will be redirected to a new dashboard. And you can see right here, agent notification. And then from here, you'll be able to edit your email notifications. So let's say, for example, you want to toggle off requester replies to ticket. You can toggle it off, or you can leave it on if you want. And you can see the option edit. You could tap on edit. Once you have tapped on edit, from here again you can edit the sample template, as you can see right here if you want. And again, you can turn off the notification completely. Now let's go back to the main admin dashboard again. Once on the main admin dashboard again, I want you to scroll down, and you can see that Fresdesk also offers AI features. For example, you can use the email bot, the response assistant, or the assistant bot right here. And you can also see they have Freddy. And you can scroll down, and from here you'll see agents, where you can define agent scope of work. And you can also choose their roles, as you can see right here. And that's basically it on how to use Fresdesk as a beginner. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.